Hello students, today we are going to discuss some objective type questions of chapter number 1, Hassan's attendance problem. So see the first question, who was Sudha Murthy? The first option is teacher, second is social worker, and third is kind, and fourth is all the above. So the Sudha Murthy has the quality of a kind teacher, and she was the social worker also. So we can click the answer all the above. See the second question. Hassan was a student of her dash batch. So you have to fill the number of the batch, which batch is going on at the time of Hassan, and that was Sudha Murthy's first batch. C. Who said to average human to forgive is divine? So this was the wording of Hassan when he wanted to condone the shortage of lectures from Sudha Murthy. Then as an emotional blackmailing, she said that you are the best teacher, like a god who can forgive us for our mistakes. So this is the line which was said by Hassan. Hassan was dash years old when he visited Sudha as a salesman. He was 35 years old at that time. Who said old habits die hard? When Hassan came to Sudha Murthy and he told her all what happened in his life and what is the reason of his failure in his career, then he said these lines that it was hard to die old habit. So this is line said by Hassan in the lesson. What is the meaning of nerd? In the chapter, the meaning of nerd is boring. Who was responsible for Hassan's miserable condition? So there was Hassan himself who was responsible for his condition. Sudha taught dash lessons during her computer lectures. While he was delivering her lectures, she was also discussing with her student regarding moral values, and this thing was remembered by Hassan. So here the answer is moral. See the next question. 1. Who is Proudy and Aughty called? The right answer is arrogant. Which type of the person Hassan's father was? Hassan's father was a busy man, so he has no time to give attention towards Hassan, and he holds all responsibilities of Hassan to his mother. So we can submit our questionnaire and we got full marks. So this was the worksheet of chapter number 1. Thank you so much.